Welcome to 236 Rachel Crescent, Unit G. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit located in Kitchener-Waterloo. It's a beautiful brand new unit. As you enter, we have our living and dining area here. Absolutely massive. Tons of space for anything you need. A lot of room for entertaining. As you walk through, we have our kitchen here. Lots of cabinet space, tons of counter space. Let's move on through. We have our ensuite laundry. Always a bonus, not having to share that with anyone. Right across from us is our 1-bath. Nice big mirror, beautiful vanity, nice clean tub and shower. Our first bedroom here. Lots of space here for a queen size bed, armoire, a couple of nightstands, lots of closet space. Let's make our way to the second bedroom. Nice size room here. You can fit a queen size bed and a couple nightstands, no problem. And of course, lots of closet space. And remember, to view this property and many more, please visit us at Royal York Property Management, ready to serve you 24/7, 365. Thank you.